Welcome to today's breaking news. Here's the highlight of the day. Euro drops to 20-year low, approaches parity with dollar. New York, July 11. The euro slid to a 20-year low and came closer to parity against the dollar on Monday on concerns that an energy crisis will take the region into a recession, while U.S. currency was boosted by expectation that the Federal Reserve will hike rates faster and further than peers. The biggest single pipeline carrying Russian gas to Germany, the Nord Stream 1 pipeline, began annual maintenance on Monday, with flows expected to stop for 10 days. Government, markets, and companies are worried the shutdown might be extended because of the war in Ukraine. The most proximate concern about markets is whether or not Nord Stream 1 is going to come back online, said Pandey, North America head of FX strategy at CIBC Capital Markets in Toronto, adding that the euro tumbled as low as $1.0051 against the US dollar, the weakest since December 2005. The dollar index reached 108.19, the highest since October 2002. The U.S. currency has gained on expectation that the Fed will continue to aggressively raise rates as its status showing inflation. The Fed is going to raise rates more aggressively than most other developed market central banks, and we don't think other developed market central banks really have the bandwidth to keep up, Rice said. The Fed is expected to lift rates by 75 basis points at its July 26-27 meeting. Fed funds future traders are pricing for its benchmark rates to rise to 3.5% by March from 1.58% now. U.S. consumers seeing inflation rising further in the year ahead, but expect a more moderate pace over the longer term in signal that inflation expectations remain reasonably anchored. A survey from the New York Fed showed on Monday consumer price data due to Wednesday is this week measure U.S. economic focus. Economists polled by Reuters expect in the index to show that consumer prices rose by an annual rate of 8.8%. The Australian dollar was the worst performer on the day, falling to a two-year low on global gold fear. Multiple Chinese cities have adopted fresh COVID-19 curves from business health to lockdown to rein the new infection. The Aussie fell as low as $0.6716 for weakest since June 2020. In the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin fell 1.62% to $20,519. Thank you for subscribing our channel. I see you in the next newsletter.